Alright, so I learned something today, and I wanted to talk about it. So a customer came in and the complaint was check engine light would come on intermittently, and when she would hit the gas sometimes it would stall out or bog down. So I brought it in, brought the vehicle in. It's a 2010 Equinox. Brought the vehicle in, checked it for codes, diagnostic codes. I got a P0300, which is engine misfire, and the customer didn't say anything about an exhaust leak, but I wasn't thinking that an exhaust leak would normally cause a misfire. So after I did my misfire data, it was coming up cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. Basically, well, actually no, not 4, but 1, 2, and 3 were all misfiring. And then I took the cover off. Just happened to notice that one of the coils was brand new, so I swapped the coils, swapped the plugs, still misfiring, but what I did, I actually forgot to plug the oxygen sensor back in. I wanted to take the heat shield off of the exhaust manifold because these actually cracked, so I'm going to see if I can get down in here close enough to show you where the crack was. If you can see it, it's actually it's kind of tough to do with my light, but the crack is actually right here next to the exhaust manifold. So I took the exhaust heat shield cover off and forgot to plug the oxygen sensor back in, and then it wasn't misfiring at all. So you know, I just didn't think that an exhaust manifold cracked with an exhaust leak would cause a misfire. I was wrong. It wasn't misfiring at all because it was stuck in open loop because the oxygen sensor was unplugged. As soon as I remembered that I forgot to plug it back in, I plugged it back in, ran it again, and sure enough, cylinders 1, 2, and 3 were misfiring. So the misfire data was starting to record again. So, long story short, this is a case of where an exhaust leak in the exhaust manifold, this crack, actually caused it to set a misfire code because it's getting, I guess it's metering the air incorrectly in the exhaust and causing it to, I'm assuming, run lean because it's not metering the air correctly, so it's causing it to run lean and therefore causing the misfire. So that's my little, hey, I learned something new today. And sorry for the editing, by the way. I'm new at this video editing stuff, but thanks for hanging in there. Thanks for watching.